Imagine a world transformed, a world where connectivity knows no bounds. It is the year 2025, a time where the digital and physical realms are seamlessly intertwined. Our world is seamlessly stitched together, a global tapestry woven with data streams, by the invisible threads of 6G, the next evolution in wireless technology. A surgeon in Tokyo, hundreds of miles away, guides a robotic arm with precision and care. In a remote village, where access to specialized care was once a distant dream, the connection is so instantaneous, so reliable, distance disappears. Geographical boundaries become irrelevant. Near-zero latency, the holy grail of connectivity and lightning-fast speeds unlock a new era of possibilities. Power everything, self-driving cars, navigating complex traffic patterns with ease, smart homes, anticipating your needs and preferences, and entire cities operating with unprecedented efficiency. The Internet of Things, a vast network of interconnected devices, operates in perfect harmony, a symphony of data and automation. Your fridge orders groceries, ensuring you never run out of essentials. Your home adapts to you, learning your habits and optimizing your environment. And city sensors monitor the air, tracking pollution levels and alerting authorities in real time, providing actionable insights for a healthier planet. Augmented reality, once a futuristic fantasy, is now a utility, a seamless blend of the digital and physical worlds. Mechanics see digital schematics overlaid onto the real world. Students explore ancient Rome, walking the streets of a bygone era, reconstructed before their eyes. Learning becomes an immersive experience. Data is no longer a static entity confined to spreadsheets, confined to screens. It's dynamic, interactive, and accessible everywhere. It's woven into the very fabric of our lives, our daily experience, enhancing our productivity, creativity, and well-being. We stand at the edge, gazing into a future brimming with potential of this new plateau, asking, what lies beyond the horizon? What comes after 6G? What innovations await us? What new forms of connection await? What new possibilities will emerge? The journey has only just begun. The future of connectivity is ours to create. As we set our sights beyond the horizon of 6G, pushing the boundaries of what's currently achievable, we look to the terahertz range, a largely untapped area of the electromagnetic spectrum, holding immense potential for future communications. It represents a new frontier in the electromagnetic spectrum, offering bandwidth capabilities previously unexplored. Terahertz waves promise a revolutionary leap, data transfer rates soaring to terabits per second, a speed that will redefine our digital experiences, dwarfing today's speeds and opening doors to applications we can only dream of today. Enter Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces, or RIS. Smart materials seamlessly embedded in walls, becoming an integral part of our infrastructure, windows, transforming ordinary panes into intelligent reflectors, and even paint, turning everyday surfaces into active components of the network. These surfaces actively reflect and steer wireless signals, optimizing signal propagation in real time, eliminating dead zones and ensuring consistent coverage, and creating perfect connections everywhere, regardless of location or obstacles. The environment itself, the very fabric of our surroundings, becomes an active part of the network, seamlessly integrated and responsive, guiding data with precision, ensuring efficient and reliable communication. Imagine a stadium, packed with fans, where every single person streams holographic content with zero lag, a truly immersive and shared experience. Or city streets, bustling with activity, where data beams securely, protecting sensitive information from lampposts directly to your device, ensuring privacy and reliability. This isn't just faster internet, it's much more than that. It's a fundamental foundation for applications, a bedrock upon which to build we can barely imagine, pushing the limits of our current understanding. City-scale digital twins, mirroring the real world in the digital realm, real-time urban simulations, allowing us to predict and optimize city functions, and a world where infrastructure itself is a single integrated computational system, a unified and intelligent network. The world becomes, in essence, a living, breathing, dynamic and responsive information ecosystem, constantly evolving and adapting. This is the next crucial step in our technological evolution, shaping the future of human progress. The next leap in communication restores true presence, no more flat screens. Holographic telepresence brings loved ones into your living room as life-sized, photorealistic projections. Teams collaborate around 3D models, doctors consult as holograms, and classrooms host virtual guest lecturers from across time and space. Mixed reality merges AR and VR into seamless experiences. Digital information overlays the physical world through glasses or contact lenses. Play chess on any table, see virtual creatures in the park, or work with digital tools that appear in your workspace. Entertainment, work, and socializing become immersive and interactive. We don't just use the internet, we live with it as a constant, interactive layer of reality. Presence is redefined. For centuries, we've relied on keyboards, screens, and voices to communicate. The next frontier, direct brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Non-invasive devices will let us compose messages, search for information, and control technology with pure thought. For those with paralysis or communication disorders, BCIs will be revolutionary. The next step is brain-to-brain communication, synthetic telepathy. Imagine sharing ideas, emotions, or complex knowledge instantly, mind to mind. Language barriers dissolve, understanding deepens. But with this power come profound ethical questions. What is privacy when thoughts can be shared? Protecting the mind becomes the ultimate cybersecurity challenge. BCIs could reshape society, empathy, and the very nature of human connection. Even with 6G, signals still travel at finite speeds, but quantum mechanics offers a new paradigm: the quantum internet. Quantum entanglement links particles across any distance. Change one, and the other responds instantly. This enables instantaneous transfer of quantum states, not just faster communication. Quantum networks promise unbreakable security. Any eavesdropping attempt is instantly detected. Building a global quantum internet is a monumental challenge, requiring new hardware and quantum repeaters. Yet, early networks are already linking cities. The future, data that's not just fast, but truly instantaneous and fundamentally secure. It's a quantum leap into a new era of connection. In a world of smart homes, blended realities, and networked minds, security becomes deeply personal. Tomorrow's threats go beyond data theft. Hackers could control cars, pacemakers, even thoughts. Brain-computer interfaces introduce the risk of brain hacking, stolen memories, manipulated emotions, or implanted beliefs. Neurosecurity will be essential, with encryption as complex as the brain itself. Quantum communication will protect the most sensitive data, while AI-driven systems guard the vast ecosystem of devices. Digital literacy becomes a survival skill. We must manage our own digital and cognitive sovereignty. The promise of connection demands new vigilance. We must become guardians of our minds and realities. The line between self and network is vanishing. We stand at a turning point, a pivotal moment that will define the very fabric of our existence in human history. A moment where the echoes of the past resonate with the boundless potential of the future. We've journeyed through ages of discovery, innovation, and connection, each era building upon the last. Beyond 6G, connection is no longer about speed. It transcends mere data transfer rates and bandwidth capabilities. It's about redefining our relationship, forging deeper bonds, and fostering a sense of global unity, to information, each other, and ourselves. It's about understanding the intricate web of data that surrounds us, and using it to gain profound insights. Imagine a world where distance vanishes, where geographical boundaries become irrelevant. Knowledge flows directly to our minds, bypassing the limitations of traditional learning methods, and creativity knows no bounds. Inspiration strikes without warning, and artistic expression becomes a universal language. The brightest minds could collaborate, transcending geographical limitations and cultural differences. In shared cognitive spaces, pushing the boundaries of human understanding and innovation, solving problems and creating art together, harmonizing intellect and imagination. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we ensure equity, privacy, and autonomy, safeguarding the fundamental rights of every individual in this new world? How do we navigate the ethical dilemmas that arise from such profound technological advancements? Our ethics must evolve, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of technological innovation. As fast as our technology, we must cultivate a moral compass that guides us through uncharted territories. The future is not a fixed destination, a predetermined outcome etched in stone, but a landscape of possibilities, an open canvas waiting to be painted with our collective vision, shaped by our choices and values. It is a reflection of our aspirations, our dreams, and our unwavering commitment to a better tomorrow. The cosmos awaits. It beckons us to explore its mysteries and unlock its secrets. The story is ours to write. Let us write it with wisdom, compassion, and a profound sense of responsibility.